Welcome to Brickvention 2025. One of the most exciting parts of Brickvention is seeing what all the mock builders bring to display, and this year is better than ever. Did somebody say KFC? The sheer scale of some of the mocks at Brickvention is absolutely mind-blowing. Like the Great Ball Contraption, made up of a series of Lego-built mechanisms carrying tiny little balls through a circuit in the coolest way possible. The level of detail included in the Lego train displays is equally as impressive and really make the mock come to life. We've gone all out with our display, and it's also the Brickvention debut of our new 2.0 light kits. On top of that, we've recruited expert mock builders to show off just what our lights can do. Thanks for joining us at Brickvention 2025. We had so much fun and can't wait to do it again with you next year. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below to let us know which display was your favourite.